time is it?
It's Wee TJ and Critters time.
We have an Optima battery here.
Make it very
and people say it sucks. They say the quality isn't there. They say when it gets dead, you have to bring it back up on a trickle charge. Oh, by the way, this is who's talking. And so Harley's like, hey, I want something to jump. So I was like, let's go buy a pack. And he wanted to buy the big jumper pack. That's what we've always had in the past. Holy crap, that hurts. Getting back to the batteries. What are we? How are we going to test this thing?
Well, we got to drain the batteries, so that means we're going to turn on every running component on the Jeep besides the engine to try to drain it. So that means headlights, running lights, blower,
interior light.
For me, it would be faster on mine. I could just fire up the air compressor and let it run for a while.
Ooh.
That would get mine drained pretty quick. But you don't have an air compressor, so that's not an option. So we're going to have to do everything we can to try to get this thing drained. And we've already done this test once. And it takes... How long did it take to drain it? Was it 2.5 hours?
We can't tell you the results. We can't tell you the results. We just want to tell you whether or not it works.
Yes.
So let's get to it. And how many times it'll start it. Will it even start at once? Let's get to it. Okay, so what we got? Headlights, check. Nothing. Do you see anything?
Nope.
I see nothing. Okay. So, what do you got here?
We got the Type S jumper pack.
This is from Costco's. I think, how much did we pay for that?
$70.
$70. Check out the light option. Show them the light.
Oh, yeah. So you hold down the button.
I don't know why I think that's so cool. It's a really good idea. Now I don't care about the flashing thing, but I think that's a pretty cool.
Then you hold
option.
it down more and it shuts off. So
okay, cool.
All right. So show them that it's dead. Go ahead and click it.
I had this conversation with my brother, and I told him we already did this test once before, and it started the vehicle. I'm just going to tell you, it started the vehicle. We lost track. It started 3 or 4 times, but 3 times?
It started at 6 times because we did it 6
Don't
times.
know.
It was twice with a little bit of power in the battery, and then the other 4 times there was no.
We're talking about just a flicker on the headlights. It wouldn't run the exhaust fan or the fan or anything. So this time you can tell it's 100% dead.
And then it was 4 times completely dead with the blower and the lights on.
This time we took it all the way dead. We're gonna leave everything on. Now of course you guys aren't gonna be able to see the first results, but we're gonna show you this time taking it 100% dead. We're gonna leave the headlights on high. We're gonna leave the exhaust fan or the blower. We're gonna leave everything on the way we drained it. So that way when we go back up, because we know not everybody that runs these things.
Yeah. I tell you what, I'm going to hook it up. I'll let it switch to the good light, and I'll start it myself, and you can record the
Let's do it.
This thing.
You how many seconds after you hook it up do you...
You have 45 seconds after you it switches? Or is it from the time of hookup? It's one of them. Either way, most of the time you'll be starting it by then.
Do it first. Here we go. You better get over there. Blower turned on. All right. Shut it off. Shut it off. All right. Okay. So that was one hit, one start with everything. The blower, the headlights on high, the interior light, and the brake lights. Okay. I didn't think it was going to go. Okay.
Do it again? Or do you want to do it with
let's just do it again. Yeah. You can see it right there. The lights are just flickering a little bit. So here's the thing. This is the Optima battery. We were told that when these go totally dead, you really can't start it this way.
Yeah.
My brother brought up that Project Farm did this video, and the way he tested it, not this Costco, he tested other brands, is he unhooked the coil, and I think he did it on a tractor. My issue with that, I'm not critiquing how he did it, but on this vehicle, this Jeep and newer, it's going to have headlights running. It's going to have a lot of vehicles throw a huge amount. It's going to have a fuel pump that's kicking in. There's going to be a bunch of pull on that battery. So
Yeah.
I don't know if we're going to get 2 starts out of this.
I think we can get 3. I'm just shooting.
3?
It said we still had 4 bars, so.
Let's see. We got 1, and that's a cold engine. I brought that up. That this thing is not ran for well over a week. So, and it's colder. You can see I'm in a sweatshirt now. Surprised he's not wearing one. So let's get it hooked up. All right, round 2. Dun, dun, dun.
Maybe it's like thick. Maybe I'm supposed to do thick.
There you go. Ooh. No, hold on. Here. Try it. There. Go, go. All right. Start number 2. By the way, it does look like somebody mentioned about us changing cables.
Still got 4 bars.
No way.
Yeah.
So maybe we should go ahead and let them drain right down.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. So I do want to point out right now, we've not messed with anything. Let me see if we can, I don't know if this camera will show you. Well, you got a light in here. Oh, no, hold on here. Yeah, ignition's on. No tail light. The blower, he never messed with that. So that's all running. It shows that the battery's just completely gone. Oh, we're gone.
All right.
The batteries.
We're ready.
You can see it's gone. So we might as well fire it up and go for it. Start number 3. Everything turned on. High beams. Exhaust fan. Give these things a wiggle back and forth. Okay. Go for it. Shut her off. Okay.
4 bars.
Let's let her go on down. I think we're doing this test. I think we're doing it correct.
It's pretty much dead.
Yeah, let's let it go till it's 100% gone. Yeah, it's gone right there.
What are we at 4 starts now?
This will be the 4th one. So this is an inline 6. There you go. 4th, nice. Here we go. She's almost gone. I understand that the battery has, the engine has a little bit of temperature in it now. I understand that, but here we go again. Right, there's 5. All right, so we're coming back in. This will be the 6th attempt. You see the headlight is almost gone. I think you can go ahead and hook it up.
Yeah.
There we go. Right.
Is that 6 times or 7 times?
6. This will be attempt number 7. It's almost gone. Harley said it's down to 2 bars now. So we've got 7. This will be attempt number 8. You say we got one more time?
Yeah.
Let's
I think
see.
we can make it to 9.
Let's go. I don't know. We're right there. I think we're going to get this time. I don't know if we'll get 9 starts out of it. Hit it again. Oh! I've lost count. I think it was...
It's like right there.
Yeah, so we just lost the. That's why I think this is more important than the actual cranking test, because how much the fuel pump's actually pulling, all these different things. So he's giving it one more try. Nothing.
It must mean it's dead because it's.
So we got 7. I think we were on 8. So I think these things are legit. I do. It came with a plug-in, a USB to like cigarette plug-in.
Yes.
So you can recharge it in the vehicle.
There it is.
Oh, right there. Yep.
Yeah, so once you get the vehicle started the first time, you can actually start recharging it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Let's see the case.
Yeah, so it comes with a nice case. Enough room in there for...
I wonder how many of these little chargers come set up this way.
I have no idea. So it's got enough room for the cables. And then the power bank over there. And those all zips up good.
All right, so we're gonna close this thing out. How many times did you think originally?
I originally thought I would start at 3 times.
I'm about 3,
And mind
possibly
you,
4.
this would be worst case scenario. Once you get the Jeep started, never turn it off, it's gonna start charging itself.
So our thoughts are.
This is like for if you pull up to the gas station and refill, or then you stop at the store and you shut it off each time on accident, and you have to jump it each time.
Or if you're
Worst-case scenario.
camping, you just leave stuff on. I mean,
Yeah.
these older Jeeps don't have the auto shut off like your newer ones do. So our thoughts are you having a set of cables and this. And in the event that you did have something catastrophic to where you are having to crank quite a bit, you could throw the jumper cables on. The TJs don't have a ton of room. LJs, I don't care. Even full-size Jeeps. A big jumper pack, you're burning up quite a bit of space. And they're
that's
heavy.
a bunch of weight.
They're heavy,
Yeah.
and you have to control those when you're out rock climbing. These right here, you don't have to worry about strapping these down. You can slide them. They can go inside your door panel. Jumper cables are real thin. You can slide them under a seat. So we do have a thought, a reason to our madness here. So
Yeah, these
totally
are really,
recommend
and I love
these.
the light on this.
yeah, that's really
For
cool.
airing up and stuff. I mean, even if you don't use it for a jumper pack like very often, I would use the
Plus,
light.
it's a light. So if you're totally dead and you're out at night, you can actually see where you're hooking
originally, I
up.
thought the light was a gimmick.
No, I don't. Yeah.
I mean, I find myself, if I buy one for myself, I would use this for airing up instead of actually dragging around a separate light, because I'm not going to use the jumper cables side of things. Probably not even once a year, because my Jeep's never dead. So
Yeah. Well, you know,
that's for that worst case
as soon as
scenario
we
when
knew
someone's
that. Yeah.
dead.
So, all right. Totally recommend. And yeah, I had to call a friend when we originally picked this up. I didn't believe in him. I said, I know he's around these all the time. I said, are these legit? He said, some of them are fantastic. He bought a Snap-on. He said he paid like $260 for it. He said it worked excellent. But he said some of the cheaper ones. But
yeah, this seems to work really good.
Yep.
So I'm happy with
all
it.
right, we out.
Yeah, we're out.
All right, see ya.